Hey everyone, so I found the easiest way to download GBA4iOS in our iPhones without us having to do any jailbreaks at all. And as you can see, I just launched Classic NES. It's a Game Boy Advance game, and we can just play this game on our iPhones using GBA4iOS because it's actually an emulator for all of the games in Game Boy Advance. And as you can see, I have other games as well, like Super Mario Advance 2, and we can also download other games aside from these games, of course, and it is for free and we don't have to jailbreak our phones at all. Don't you think it's super cool? We don't have to buy our own Game Boy Advance anymore, or like if we just want to go into memory lane and remember those times when we were playing Game Boy Advance, then yeah, we can just like download this emulator and play the games that we liked before or even up until now. And as you can see, this is Super Mario, and well, we won't be playing it in this video, but let's just exit it and I'll tell you, or I'll share to you how I got this GBA4iOS emulator in a super easy way. Before we go to the website where I got this emulator from, we have to go to settings first and change up some of the settings, specifically 3 settings. So for now, we go and look for, let me see, we have to go to App Store. So this is the first one. We need to go to App Store and then click on it, of course, and we need to look for mobile data section, and we have to make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. So it has to be enabled or greened out for it to be turned on. And then there's that, and then the second setting that we have to change, or if not keep as is if we already have it like that, is in battery. So we need to go to battery and then make sure that low power mode is turned off, so it shouldn't be on during the time that we're downloading the app itself. And then the last setting is in general, so we're gonna go to general, and then when we're in there, we need to look for background app refresh and background app refresh again. And we have to make sure that it is on Wi-Fi and mobile data, like the check mark is on the Wi-Fi and mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or just off. And then that's it. That's literally everything that we need to do in our settings. So now we'll be getting to the most exciting part, which is going to our browser, and website loads in. We just search on their search bar GBA and we'll find GBA4iOS over here. And then of course we're just gonna click the blue download button, and it will say checking compatibility, and then it's gonna start downloading, and there will be a loading phase, and then a prompt will pop up and you just have to allow and then install the profile that it downloads, and then you should be good. You'll have GBA4iOS on your iPhone. Enjoy walking down memory lane while playing.